I love to encourage females. Started doing fitness. I started business when I was 38. I'm already an international player. I achieved world championship bronze medals, gold medal, another three bronze medals, and Asian three continents. I received two gold medals. My motivation, I like to give the credit to the family when family tries to put you down.
नमस्ते, मी ॲडव्होकेट टीरा धाडगे. कोणत्याही क्षेत्रात तुमची कामगिरी वाखाणण्यासारखी असेल, इतक्या लोकांशी मी बोलतेय ना, काहीतरी रोज नवीन शिकायला मिळतं. एकमेकांना मदत करण्यासाठी तुम्ही ही कम्युनिटी जॉईन करू शकता, पुणे वुमन्स क्लब. नमस्कार, मी ॲडव्होकेट नीरा धाडगे तुमचं सहर्ष स्वागत करत आहे पॉडकास्ट विथ नीरामध्ये. आज आपल्याकडे खूप खूप एनर्जेटिक व्यक्ती आहे. किरण त्यागी जी, वेलकम. आपके बारे में बताइए मैम.
मैम मैं एक फिटनेस स्टूडियो रन करती हूँ खड़की में. आई टेक ट्रेनिंग्स जहाँ पे मैं इट इज़ फॉर बोथ मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स, बट आई लव टू एनकरेज फीमेल्स एंड आई लव टू गेट देम टू नो देयर पोटेंशियल एंड स्ट्रेंथ. दिस इज़ माई apart from earning, this is also my vision that I can teach them to be stronger, because that's the hard way I learned myself.
बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स हैं मैम आपके नाम पे, आप वो भी हमें बताइए प्लीज.
I started powerlifting in 2021, and in 23 I'm already an international player. I achieved world championship bronze medals, gold medal, another three bronze medals, and Asian three continents. I received two gold medals, and a lot of things lined up for 2024. Like I'm going to play in Asian Championship on 8th of May. So I'm leaving tonight for that. And then there's three continents: Asia, Africa, Pacific Championship. Then there's World Championship in Texas, and I'm also aiming for Commonwealth 2024.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. मैम, कैसे स्टार्ट किया आपने? ये जो पावर लिफ्टिंग का क्षेत्र है बहुत ही अलग है, और वुमेन्स इसमें आने के लिए डरते हैं या फिर बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को, ऐसा हमें तो पता है. तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Mom, I was a housewife for 18 years, and then life compelled me to do something. And then I chose fitness to be my mantra, and I went ahead with it. I opened my own personal training studio, K5 Fitness. K is my initial, because I wanted to inspire women next door that if I can do it, then anybody can do it. And the journey began from K5 Fitness. And after COVID times, I wanted to add some value to my business, and I wanted people to know what knowledge I have, and I just wanted a platform to be a brand. And then I chose this game 2021, and I didn't know it was destined to be.
आपका एज क्या था जब आपने स्टार्ट किया?
Ma'am, I started playing when I was 38. No, sorry, I started doing fitness. I started business when I was 38.
Okay.
And I started playing when I was 41.
आपकी फैमिली में कौन-कौन है?
Ma'am, I would love to talk about my three children. They are my biggest support.
3 चिल्ड्रंस, आप बिल्कुल लगते नहीं हो, आपको 3 बच्चे हैं.
These are the perks of strength training.
कैसे आप ये सब कुछ कैसे मैनेज करते हो मैम? 39 में तो बहुत लोग ऐसे हो जाता है कि हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं करना है, आधा लाइफ तो चला गया, ये वो. तो ये मोटिवेशन आप कैसे तब आया था जब आपने स्टार्ट किया?
Ma'am, motivation, I like to give the credit to the family when family tries to put you down, and then you take it in the positive way. And I took it in the positive way. I thought, no, this is something for my self-respect I have to achieve, which I think I took 18 years to understand this. And I want women to understand it right from the beginning, that anything for the self-respect, they must take it forward. Whatever talent or whatever they want to try, please go ahead with it. Don't take too long. I took too long, but it's never too late. I want to be the example that it's never too late.
ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ था जिससे आपने ये सोचा कि हम नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. कुछ नहीं, बहुत ही कुछ हुआ था.
थोड़ा बहुत बताइए मैम, हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं वो आपसे कनेक्ट करेंगे.
Ma'am, as we know Indian families, and if you're a joint family and you're an emotional person, how you're being taken advantage of, and all those things. I don't want to go much into that negative part, But yes, I just thought I got humiliated in front of 4 people, 40 people. That's the day I decided I have to make a name in front of the whole world. This was my first initial thought. That time I was just a housewife who knew nothing. And with that thought, I didn't know where to go, what to do. All I knew that I have to create my name. And I just kept doing whatever came into my way. Whatever I started enjoying, working on my body, I first of all worked on myself, lost from 100 kgs to 61 kgs. Then everybody asked me to give them training. Then I took authentic training from my academy, K11 Academy of Fitness Sciences. And then from there on, there was never looking back. So it starts with your thought. So you have to think it before you actually execute it. If you can't think it, you can never achieve it. And if you are able to think it, you can do it. If a person like me can do it, I think anybody can achieve anything.
What's your age now?
I'm 44.
44. And where are you going right now?
Right now, I'm going to Hong Kong to play Asian Championship. There's Asian University Cup is also going on, along with the Asian Equipped Powerlifting Championship, which I'll be representing my country.
किसी को अगर इस क्षेत्र में आना है तो उन्होंने कहाँ से स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए?
Just by taking care of their body, just by working on themselves, just by making them stronger. In today's time, people focus, especially women, they focus more on the outlook. They just want to be thin. They want to go to the gym just to look thin.
Yes.
My idea is, and my vision is that go to the gym to be stronger. Once you start achieving that thought, you can excel in this game. It is all about strength anyways. But even otherwise, even if you don't want to be a power lifter, it always helps. Whatever you learn on the floor, this is what I have learned in my life. I started lifting weights, and eventually I observed the weight started lifting me up to a next level. And it happens with everybody. You just need to try it. So only aim to be stronger.
जैसे आपकी जर्नी है और जहाँ से आपने शुरुआत की है और जहाँ तक आप आए हुए हो, इट्स लाइक गोल्ड मेडल एंड ब्रॉन्ज मेडल्स.
Unbelievable for me also, ma'am. Even I can't believe when I look back 3-4 years. My life was totally different. I was a very, I would say, dumb housewife. And today I'm an entrepreneur and I'm a world champion player, international player. It looks like a miracle to me also sometimes. Unbelievable.
इस सब में आपके मेंटोर कौन थे?
Ma'am, my mentor was, they were the people who tried to pull me down. Truly, they were my mentors because every time they tried to hit me hard, I used to bounce back harder. This was only my motivation. So I really want to see there are people, we do get politics in all the areas where we work in.
Yes.
If we take it in the positive way, then I think we can always bounce back further. So that's what I did. I always thank all those people who troubled me a lot because otherwise I would have died as a housewife.
आप बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल हो. मैं कल हम लोग यही बात कर रहे थे सब लोग कि जो लोग बाकी के लोगों को बोलते हैं कि नहीं आप ये नहीं कर सकते, बहुत लोगों को ये परेशानी होती है कि आप मुझे ये क्यों बता रहे हो, मुझे क्यों ये करना है, और उसने बोला इसलिए मैं नहीं करूँगी, या फिर बहुत डाउन हो जाते हैं. बट देयर इज अ पॉजिटिव साइड ऑल्सो. जितने लोग आपको बोलेंगे उतना ज्यादा आपने
सीखना चाहिए, उतना ज्यादा ट्राई करना. इट्स ओके इफ यू डोंट हैव टैलेंट, यू कैन ऑलवेज अचीव इट, यू कैन ऑलवेज लर्न न्यू थिंग्स. So always inspire to be one step better than yesterday, and eventually you will go so much far that even you will not realize. When you look back, you will know how far I have come.
थैंक यू किरण त्यागी जी, आप हमारे यहाँ पे आए. आपका जो एनर्जी है और आप जैसे आपने मुझे पंप अप कर दिया है कि इतना एनर्जी आ गया है, क्या करूँ क्या नहीं, ऐसे हो गया है. बट विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर आपका जो कुछ भी है अभी. एंड थैंक यू, आपकी फ्लाइट है अभी और फिर भी आप यहाँ पे हमें 10 मिनट देने के लिए आए. थैंक यू.